Earth is giving us a warming sign. What if I tell you our beautiful Earth is getting hotter every day? Today we are turning a simple chart paper into a powerful global warming project that shows how we can save our planet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Learn with Clarity Academy. Here we create easy, creative, and amazing school projects that make learning fun and exciting. Today, we are making a beautiful global warming chart project. So let's start our journey to understand our changing planet. What is global warming? Before making our chart, let's understand what global warming means. Global warming is the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to harmful gases like carbon dioxide released from human activities. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere. Now let's start creating our chart. First, we draw our Earth in the center. Then we add the effects of global warming like melting ice, pollution, and rising temperature. Slowly, our blank paper is becoming a message for saving our planet. The main causes of global warming are factory smoke and pollution, too many vehicles releasing harmful gases, cutting down forests, burning fossil fuels. All these activities increase greenhouse gases and affect our Earth. Effects of global warming. Global warming creates many problems. Melting glaciers, rising sea level, extreme weather changes, harmful to animals and nature. Our Earth needs our help. But don't worry, we can make a difference. We can plant more trees, recycle waste, use cleaner transportation, save electricity. Small steps can create a big change. Now comes the most exciting part, colors. Watch how a simple pencil sketch transforms into a bright and meaningful global warming chart. Every color tells a story about protecting our environment. And finally, our global warming chart is complete. This is not just a drawing, it is a message that reminds us to protect the planet we call home. Remember, a small action today can create a greener tomorrow. So, dear children, do plant a tree on your birthday or on the auspicious day which you remember. If you enjoyed this project idea, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative school projects, amazing drawings, and learning videos. Because here we don't just make charts, we create awareness. Extra viral. So, dear children, you just watch the video but do not subscribe. Do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.